Let's go into the video.
If you are in your early 20s, your brain is currently a construction site. While you think you're in total control of your words, there is a biological glitch in your prefrontal cortex that makes it almost impossible for you to maintain a lie under pressure. Welcome to the Anatomy Lab. Today we dissect why the 20-year-old brain is biologically incapable of being a perfect liar. At 20 years of age, your brain is undergoing its final and most critical stage of development, myelination. This is the process of insulating your neural pathways for faster communication. Specifically, the connection between your limbic system, which handles raw emotion and fear, and your prefrontal cortex, which handles logic and planning, has not yet fully hardened. When you attempt to lie, your brain experiences what we call cognitive overload. It is forced to perform two high-energy tasks simultaneously, suppressing the truth while inventing and maintaining a fake reality. For a brain that is still wiring its executive functions, this creates a massive spike in neural noise. In forensic linguistics, this noise manifests as a glitch known as linguistic dissociation. Because the 20-year-old brain is struggling to process the internal stress of the lie, it subconsciously attempts to distance the self from the deceptive statement. You will notice a distinct pattern. The suspect suddenly stops using the word I. They won't say, "I didn't take the money." Instead, their brain glitches, and they say, "The money went missing." This is a subconscious survival mechanism intended to lower internal cognitive pressure by removing the speaker from the narrative. During professional forensic interviews, this glitch becomes most prominent at the 40-second mark. As the interrogation continues, the mental energy required to sustain the fabrication drains the prefrontal cortex of its resources. This leads to what we call micro-stutters and eye-accessing cues. You aren't just telling a story, you are fighting your own biology. And in the lab, biology always wins. If you're 20 years old, your brain is a masterpiece of evolution, but it is a terrible liar. Stop fighting the glitch and start understanding the anatomy of your own behavior. I'm your friend, and this has been a session of the Anatomy Lab.